Our project is about the face recognition through an image. The technology implemented to create this project is OpenCV, that is OpenCV contribution to Python version 3. The code functions to detect a face in an image and then recognizes it while returning the data related to that particular image. The chief application of the program is to manage database, as it supports to establish databases of many people with reliable source, and security, as it provides the most secure lock recognition system. Face recognition is a two-step process, that is face detection followed by face recognition. And here we have a real-time demo of face detection. This program right here will detect my face and eyes. This video focuses on static face recognition, and the next video will focus on real-time face recognition.
Now I'll be talking about the database that have been used in this project. So basically we have multiple options to use database in the project, and one was SQL. So SQL has multiple data types. One was out of which some are integer, float, date and time, varchar and blob. So our project is all about pictures and histogram, and blob is such a data type that can be used in a project, but due to some technical issues blob cannot be used by SQL through our project for certain issues, and therefore we use array as a data type. So what array does in our project? So our project is all about sorting the images and keeping it in a certain folder, so that when a user enters a certain image, it recognizes from those particular folders which are in an array and give the output according to the given facial recognition. So this is how array works in our project, but as a data type. Now Anandya will explain further using the practical code.
Thank you, Rishabh, for that. So what exactly is the magic that a program does that it recognizes faces? That is the question on everybody's mind. Let's look at it as an analogous example. You first meet somebody for the first time, and you don't know what their name is, right? You then meet the same person twice, thrice, and then you start to remember some details about him, like his or her name, his or her age. Then in an umpteenth meeting, you start to have remember some distinct features, like a birthmark, a facial feature, to help you distinguish them in a crowd. So that is the main ideology that our program uses, obviously with the help of OpenCV, to recognize faces. Let's dive into the code right now. Okay, so no need to stress yourself over the hocus pocus or the alien language you seem to encounter over here. What it basically does is it takes the images from here, test data, test 1, 2, 3, and then predicts it, matches it with the training data, whether it's a familiar face or not. Like, for example, let's run the program for once. It's preparing data prepared. Now for magic, predicting faces. See, it has already detected faces. Right now we are just experimenting with 3 subjects. Later on, when the database is implemented successfully, we'll have multiple faces. That's why we can run multiple test data. So, and it will help in furthermore development of the program.
So this is how our program works. We have a detector program file which we run, and it detects all the facial features from the training data we have. Training data has 3 subfolders, S1, S2 and S3, with the respective faces. And then we have, this is training data, and then we have a test data. The test data is input in the detector file, which the detector file detects, and the program recognizes the face according to the features it already fed in the program itself, and hence we have the detected faces of the particular individuals we have in the test data. So this is how it works.